Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set auto call recording in your phone Nothing Phone One. First, go to this call button and click on these three vertical dots and click on settings there. Now select call recording, and if you select numbers not in your contacts, the contacts that are not stored in your phone can have the auto call recording. And if you select other options, selected numbers, you can include some particular numbers, and those numbers will have only auto call recording. So you got to turn on this button, and it's showing that always record calls with the selected numbers. You or other person in your call might be somewhere that requires everyone to constant being recorded. So call recording announcement will be done on both the ends, and click on always record. And here you have to click on choose a contact and select the contact which ought to be having auto call recording. Here I select Achari Ravi, Chillathurai, Alagarasan. You can also search contact here and search here. I search Princey, and these are only selected numbers, and those numbers will have auto call record. See here. Now I will make a call from Princey. Just wait. See here, Prince is calling, and now I would like to attend this call. Click on answer. Hello, hello, hello. Call recording checking. Thank you. Here also you will see stop recording. If you want to stop in between the call, just you can tap here and it will be just stop. You stop it now. Or if you go up to the end of the call, just end it and it will be stored. Now to see the recorded call, go to the call button behind and click on Princey, and here you will see the recorded call. Thank you. Hello. 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 Call recording. Thank you. Here also you will see stop recording. So whatever I did in the past, that are whatever I spoke here while recording this video, that are showing here. So in this way you can easily do auto call recording for particular numbers or numbers not in your contacts. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.